Greetings, my name is Corey Lyman. This is my pitch for my hyper-casual type of game that uses light physics called Starlight. Optimized for a touch interface, the player's goal is to seek objects to bend, split, reflect, combine, and change the colors of rays of light to activate triggers and bring light back to dark solar systems throughout the universe. During the game, the player will rotate reflective objects to create a solid path of light between the elemental and the goal lighting it up. Some of the objects in the game will only have a limited time that they can accept the light beam, and as the durability bar goes down if the puzzle is not completed in time, the object breaks, disappears, and the player fails the level. In some of the more tricky levels, the player will need to utilize prisms to split the beam in order to hit multiple targets and complete the level. There will also be other levels where the light must hit a colored crystal to change the color of the beam to match the target color. Sometimes the colored lights will need to be combined to create a third color in order to accomplish the task at hand. In some of the levels, the player will need to light up dark crystals in a given order to complete the stage. Levels like this will rely heavily on the player rotating each crystal as they light up and utilizing the reflective objects to angle the light just right. However, if the light hits the crystals in the wrong order, the level has failed and the player must try again from the beginning. Light physics games need very specific objects to accomplish their tasks. The ones the player uses will be the mirror, the crystal, the ice ball, the dark planet, the meteor, the dead star, the elemental, the prism, the refractor, the rotator, and the dark crystal. The game's base will focus on light physics strategy and creative problem solving for the player. With 4 quadrants consisting of 25 levels each, the player will get plenty of chance to play each mechanic in the initial galaxy. In each level, the player can earn from 1 to 3 stars, and after accumulating different milestones of stars, the player will begin to unlock optional upgrades, ranging from the ability to slow down time to removing an obstacle on the level. However, each upgrade will have its ups and downs. There are a few developmental risks to look at for creating these types of games. First is the touchscreen controls, which could possibly be adapted but not recommended for a mouse and keyboard combo. Second is deciding what needs to be in menu if a menu is needed. And third is the sheer number of levels that's needed to fill 5 quadrants with 50 levels each at launch of the game. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you among the stars.